Guys, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm doing them once more. All right, here we go. I wasn't sure what this was for, but it doesn't even say. What you do with that, so I left it like that. Yo guys, this freaking thing is awesome. Like, by far, 10 out of 10. This is my favorite prop now that I own. Like, man, that is awesome. I love how he shoots up like that. That is freaking awesome. Now, mine got a little scratch there in shipping, but that's fine. Still my favorite prop now that I own. By far. Like, that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty impressed with it. Let me know what you guys think. If you got him, what do you guys think of this guy? To me, he's awesome. Like, really impressed by just for what he does, right? And his face design is pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm liking this a lot. I'll probably fix that up a little bit, the glue part. But overall, he's getting a 10 out of 10. By far, my favorite prop. But yeah, anyways guys, that's the video of Hellspawn. I hope you guys enjoyed, because he's freaking awesome.